Oke, hingga friends honor jodon kaham datang bai, kakai honor jodon kaham tong banyak nai. Tini hingga topik apa hai, special executive ni bagai, nong ni bagai, ang kaisa suggestion tu hai kya. Tini simi class kaisa topic 1 obona ang important question rok, nong no tini ang phunuk nai nong ni bagai helpful nai norok interview rogo rupro special executive ni norok interview rupro norok obrok mani yo question rok nong bagai ang suggestion video tini simi start khai tongo abo hingka topic 1 tini kwbangma question norok o jagao thumbnail nugui norok saimang kana puila no request kainai friends ong norok ebo ani YouTube channel no tini puila nai tong hangke kebo subscribe khai kongka subscribe khaina di tai bell icon sinina di tai norok notification tebo kota kodal video upload khai pro norok mana bagai tebo nongni friends rong no eba kani ni dol rong no bayar rong no share khai radio video bongni bagai helpful ngai faidike tini video interview ni bagai nongni bagai suggestion sanamani tini topic 1 nongni bagai ang senamai tong video puila noro interview run thangpro executive police ni bagai jare interview run thanai rok oba haike noro question sungjangana self introduction noro krana nangan puila aro thangke interview ni bagai puila process to noro saimang kana kabangma video rogo no kana thangangke puila jagabo document verification khainai document verification khaima pore nongno interview ni bagai kaisa sheet ro hojangnai change khai noro interview ni final nangnai tai noro joto document rok qualification certificate rok marksheet rogo ar rogo joto jagano kaisa gazette officer ni norok signature ritelang thangdi tai seal ruboi hangkangke aboni pore norok document nongni identity nongni proof tong no nangnai janmo date rok aborok admit card rok tlang thangni Aadhaar card rok tlang thangni tai joto ni document original rok tlang thangdi ajagao tai ni admit card rok tlang thangdi fighting ke video start khajnai abo hangkangke puila self introduction ni bagai norok nini mung sungjangnai interview wa mung nini mung tamo abo hairok sungjangnai epore nini para ni mung tamo ba village abo hairok sungjangnai tai nini pusinai eba tei tongnai nono guardian ni mung sungnai ni babu sungtam khlai ni amo sungtam khlai nini poribar sap sapotong abo hairok sungjak mano friends ong engatai nongni chai number hongke samung mungsasu khlai tong eba nini occupation eba samung khlai tong present no eba khe porjatong na part time job khai tong abo hairok nongno sungi mano nongni personal information saimana bagai tai bosuk joroti porijak seringjak nini qualification no sungi mano nini higher qualification bosuk aborok no sungi mano enke basic nono jeta ni personal information rok abo kisimisa nono sungnai introduction nangmarnai amoni yagulo nono question main no final topic faidigas dinini sing main topic question rok kisa important rok amor no suggestion nongno ang phunogona ni bagai question o jagao ang tubukha how many police station are there in Tripura Tripura koiti thana royeche Tripura koita thana tong aro sungo ang sudoro police station rong bagai simsia ro mention khayo ke bosai rong tunghangke norok ano kisa comment lingo comment khai sadi 77 ta ajago thana police station mangkha ang aboni plus kaisa tongo 1 abo angro add khaikangke 78 ungo abo hangkangke kaisa tongo amongke fatikoro hini kaisa tongo amongke unokoti district go kalayo abo nongno mention khai phunogona friends abo niko fatikoro hini kaisa police station tongo chikoncha obo asuk net rogo include khaijagya ebake add khaijagya haipano chikoncha kaisa thana tongo plus o jaga 1 khaikangke ungo jaga 78 oba high police thana ungo total noro nogoi mangkhana jaga fatikoro hini kaisa police station tongo amo oro include khaikangke 78 ungo total noro ke sayang tongangke nakardi haipa norok kisa sayarong tongke norok kisa comment link section thangai norok comment khai sadi abo soida naka soya puila agi 65 ta oba high police station tongmani tabuk taisa ketalo include ngai 78 oba high engnai tabuk engke buskango tebo ngui tongo tai buskango include khangke omo tebo bangi thangnai number next question nungka how many district are there in Tripura Tripura koiti jela ache engkangke ajaga 8 jela tongo Tripura koita district tongka 8 district tongo engka ajaga 8 district bisingo singojogo tag nailebonai question engke how many police station are there in Khwai district Tripura ত্রিপুরা খোয়াই জেলা কয়টি থানা রয়েছে ত্রিপুরানি খোয়াই ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কয়টা থানা দं পুলিশ স্টেশন दं गांके 5टा दं टोटल abo tam hongke o jaga rojak tongo champa habar पुलिस स्टेशन कल्याणपुर पुलिस स्टेशन खवाई पुलिस स्टेशन मुंगिया कामी पुलिस स्टेशन tai telimura पुलिस स्टेशन next question ka how many police station are there west district in Tripura Tripura পশ্চিম জেলায় কয়টি থানা রয়েছে Sini West District ni police station koita tong total hangke 17 ta tongo 17 एक number tongo airport police station 2 number tongo Amtoli police station 3 number tongo Bujjunagar police station city control Agartala tai is Agartala police station tai is Agartala women police station hingga tapra Jirania police station Lefunga police station Mandai police station Radapur police station Rani Baza police station Sidhai police station Srinagar police station West Agartala police station tai West Agartala women police station New capital complex tapore 18 Nagar police station Next question ka how many police station are there South district in Tripura Tripura Dokhin jelaয় কয়টি থানা রয়েছে এনকে সঙ্গ জায়গা 7টা মাংখা Tripura bo South district কয়টা পুলিশ স্টেশন দं পুলিশ থানা দं কে 7টা বাইখরা পুলিশ স্টেশন বিলোনিয়া পুলিশ স্টেশন বিলোনিয়া উমেন পুলিশ স্টেশন মনো বাজার পুলিশ স্টেশন PR বাড়ি পুলিশ স্টেশন সাবরম পুলিশ স্টেশন তাই শান্তি বাজার পুলিশ স্টেশন Next question nungka how many police station are there Unakoti district Unakoti district singthasinggo saithangmani abono Unakoti district go te kaisa include khajigya abo hongkangke Phatikoroi hinai kaisa tongo amon bisingo +1 angnai is equal to aro 6ta angnai tam hongkangke Unakoti district thasing puro ang saka Phatikoroi hinai kaisa tongo police station abo police station abo jaga include khajigya network abo abo na ase include khajak krei haipana abo bai total khajika 6ta ango oro 1 number tongo Kailasahar police station tai Kumargar police station 3 number tongo Pecharthal police station tai o jaga tongo Kailasahar women police station tai Irani police station Next question ka How many police station are there Gomoti district in Tripura Tripura Gomoti jelaয় কয়টি থানা রয়েছে Tripura o Gomoti district o কয়টা থানা dong total 10টা dong tam hongke o jaga 1 number dong Birganj police station 2 number ongkha Kakraban police station 3 number ongkha Korbuk police station Taikila police station 5 number dong Notun Bazar police station Ompi police station 7 number tongo Arkepur police station 8 number tongo Silachari police station tai Taidu police station tai 10 number tongo Women PS Arkepur police station Next question nungka how many police station are there North district in Tripura Tripura uttor jelaয় কয়টি থানা রয়েছে Tripura ni North district go koita thana tong gangke 11ta tongo tam hongke jaga 1 number tongo Anand Bazar police station 2 number ongkha Choraibari police station tai Damchera police station Dharmanagar police station Kadamtala police station 6 number tongo Kanchanpur police station Khedachera police station tai 8 number tongo Panisagar police station 10 number tongo Bhangmong police station 11 number tongo Women police station Dharmanagar Next question ka how many police station are there Sipahijola district in Tripura Tripura Sipahijola jelaয় কয়টি থানা রয়েছে Tripura ni Sipahijola district কয়টা থানা dong hongke total police station tongo 9ta tongo tam hongke o jaga 1 number Bishalgor police station 2 number tongo Bishalgor Women police station 3 number tongo Bisharamganj police station 4 number tongo Jatrapur police station 5 number tongo Kolamchera police station 6 number tongo Melaghor police station 7 number tongo Sonamura police station Takarjola police station Jambujola police station abo hingke jotono Sipahijala district. Next question hingka how many police station are there in Dhalai district Tripura? Tripura Dhalai jelai koiti thana royeche ba Tripura ni Dhalai district koiti thana police station dong hingka 13 ta tongo total. Pula hingke Ambassa police station second tongo Chalengta police station 3 number tongo Chamanu police station tai Dhumachera police station 3 number tongo Gandachara police station 6 number tongo Ganganagar police station 7 number tongo Kachuchara police station tai Kamalpur police station Manikpur police station Mono police station Nepaltila police station Rashebari police station tai next tongo tai last tongo Salema police station. Next question hingka how many blocks are present in Tripura? Tripura koiti block royeche 58. How many subdivision are there in Tripura? Tripura rajye koiti mahakuma royeche hingke Tripura bo subdivision koita tong hingke total 23 ta tongo. What is the total area of Tripura? Tripura mod aiton koto Tripura ni total mod busuk tor area busuk tor hingke oro suya tung answer 10,491 SQ kilometer ebakhe sing total romi mano 10,492 kilometer mane 10,492 kilometer sing total romi mano. Which is the first college in Tripura? Tripura ni pula college bobo Tripura prothom college kunti hingke MBB college ebakhe Maharaja Bir Bikram college. Which is the first high school in Tripura? Tripura prothom uch bidyalay kunti ba o jaga question teke se khaimano Tripura ni chalarong ni pula school bobo ni singmano abo hingkangke Umukanto Academy. Next question, what is the first girls school of Tripura? Tripura prothom balika bidyalay kunti ba brirong ni school pula bomo sengjak hingkangke Maharani Tulsi Bati Balika Bidyalaya. Boy aro khlaija hingke 1894 AD khlaijago. Who is the chief of Tripura police? Tripura police pradhan ke hingke answer hingka Sri Amitabh Ranjan IPS DGP. DGP full form hingke Director General Police abondo abahai. Hingke what is the full form of police? Police ni full form tama amo important balance haimana nango jara special executive ni bagui interview rana thanai rok borok abo belai ni important question borok haimana nango police ni full form tamo hingke ora answer jak public officer for legal investigations and criminal emergencies abai ke aro sijak norok nainai di amo sigithani norok sungjak hingke norok sairi mano. Who is the present governor in Tripura? Tripura Bortoman Rajyapal ke hingke Tripura ni present governor sabo hingke Nelu Indrasena Reddy. Who is the first CM of Tripura? Tripura ni pula mukhyamantri sabo Tripura prothom mukhyamantri ke hingke Sachendra Lal Singh. Who is the DSP of Tripura? Tripura DSP ke Monimoy Chakma. Next question, what is the motto of Tripura police? Omo belai no important question. Tripura police niti bako ki hingke norok kwbangma norok nugui mankana Tripura police website rogo norok pula bongni teams kaisa bwskango tongo norok banner ro sijak nukana bongni banner kahai kaisa teams o ar norok sijak nukono abo hingkangke Tripura police niti bako ki hingke answer rojak tongo Seva Bhiruta and Bandhuta abai ke rok sijak tongo norok nogana bobo hingke norok ang phunugana friends norok chato nukhana Tripura police ni website nukhangke orja nukhana iko Tripura police ni sijak o jaga naharnai di o jaga sijak tongo Seva Bhiruta Bandhuta abai ke sijak tongo abono thachingni question ni answer abo. Friends norok tini ni question rok bahai wngjabai khe norok chai rok tongkhe norok comment link ko thangai norok aro comment section thangai norok comment khaidi question rok bahing jaka norok tebo bwskango obo hai tebo interesting video norok suggestion mana musung khe norok ano comment khaisadi nong bagi video continue swnam thanai tini ningkhe ang abo topic 1 video swnamka bwskango continue swnam thanai nong bagi suggestion norok comment khai sadi kisa tai khe subscribe khai konka subscribe khainadi tai nini friends rok no share khairdi tai norok o pdf file no norok mana musung khankhe ani whatsapp channel tongo ajaga thangui norok direct link rijak tongo description no aro thangui norok click khai khe o pdf file no free norok download khainai manai tai norok ani whatsapp number tongo aro bo norok jogajog khai mano।